In number 15, we're given the rectangular coordinates and asked for the polar coordinates. We're supposed to find two sets for values of theta between 0 and 2 pi. Well, there will be two answers. There will be two different ways we can point and end up at this point. We can point in the direction of that point and move that distance away. Or we can point in the opposite direction and our R value would be a negative, which sends us back in the opposite direction of this pointed direction. And we'll land right there. So if we do inverse tangent of the y coordinate divided by the x coordinate, this gives us the angle in radians, which is pointing into quadrant 1. So for that theta value, our R value has to be negative to move in the opposite direction and land at this point in quadrant 3. Therefore, those polar coordinates would be R theta of a negative square root of 72 when we're pointing in this direction. And the other one will be if we point in the blue direction and move a positive R value. So that would be positive square root of 72, and the angle measure will be 0.340 plus pi.